Today is a great day for us here. It is the first graduation for our Mercedes-Benz program.
The Clearfield Job Corps Center recently partnered with Mercedes-Benz USA to provide specific hands-on training to students in the automotive program. This program is a first of its kind in Job Corps, and only 6 students were selected to pilot the program this last year.
You know, Mercedes is no small name out there, and I think you guys realize that.
With Job Corps, everything's set up already. The students are vetted, so we know we're getting the best students.
From the support of family and friends to instructors and leaders, it took a caring team to help these students achieve this great milestone.
We strive for excellence with our students and with our staff, and we look for a future of success for our students.
But Mercedes has been really good at helping me make sure that I have everything I need so I can give it to the students.
For some students, it also meant carrying on a family legacy.
My dad actually went to Job Corps, so he told me how great it was down in LA. So I decided to come out to Utah to see how it is and explore the world a little bit, and take up this opportunity.
While Isaac's dad, Harold Richardson, didn't study the same program at the MTC-operated Los Angeles Job Corps Center, he is now a Mercedes-Benz employee. Isaac can return home to California and work alongside his dad.
Super proud of Isaac. So college is not for everybody. And learning a trade and a skill is the next best thing.
Each of the graduates earned high-paying positions at Mercedes dealerships across the nation, earning them lots of high praise from leaders, friends, and family members.
It's amazing to have you 6 be the first graduates from this program here at the Clearfield Job Corps Center, a center that's been operating for decades. And so you guys are really pioneers, so I'm proud of you.
Give yourselves a hand. You deserve it. So on behalf of the entire Job Corps program, we are all proud of you.